नहीं आई थिंक हर साल एक हाथ यू नो आई वुड से इट्स अ मार्वल more than the Avengers. I would say you've seen him in a Badlapur, where so you know that Varun is capable of really coming of his own if he gets a filmmaker who can present him in a very different style. So I think that we have succeeded with the BGM and with.
Ma'am, the first thing I want to know is that you are at IFFI over here. What is the difference when you come to IFFI and bring these films with you, as opposed to when you bring those blockbuster films of yours in the theater? What's the difference?
The difference is that these stories are smaller stories with very big heart, which require small build up to make it a big explosion. Like today, how Lapata Ladies has become Lost Ladies and is gone on its Oscar campaign. It was a small story that celebrated India, started with India, became success here, became India's nomination for Oscars, and now we are doing the campaigning. When we are screening it to people, they are understanding that India is capable of telling real stories, authentic stories with real characters, without all the song and dance and melodrama and bashing up of cars that India is known for. So I think the stories that come to film festivals, it doesn't mean they are not entertaining. They are very entertaining. But the style of storytelling is more authentic, it's more realism in the cinema, and it's called alternate cinema. But at the same time, doesn't mean it cannot be popular, and it cannot give you bang for your buck for your time. I think what are we asking from people? We are asking for their time more than anything else. In theatre you ask for money, but you are also asking for time. In OTT also you are asking for money, but you are also asking for their time. So आज सबसे महंगी commodity audience की time है. So as storytellers we want to respect that and give them compelling stories that they will enjoy on any platform.
Frame is fine, no? Yeah, that's fine. As when you how do you decide which film gets a big theatrical release, which comes directly on Jio, or which film gets a festival release? कैसे चलता है दिमाग में? The balance between the business and the creativity, वो balance कैसे लाती है?
आई थिंक सबसे पहले तो पिक्चर बनाने के पहले या कोई भी कहानी बनाने के पहले एक रिगरस ग्रीन लाइटिंग प्रोसेस है. कहानी वी लिसन टू द स्टोरी, वी रीड द स्क्रिप्ट, वी गो थ्रू द नरेशन, वी अंडरस्टैंड द ट्रीटमेंट, द डायरेक्टर्स विजन, how will that story be told, what will be the take on it, and then the script to screen journey happens. First the film gets made. So once the film gets made, we look at the edit, we watch it. Many times we test it with audiences, small audiences, and see what's resonating and things like that. The large, blockbusters as they are called, they are meant for a larger audience. Why do those films do very big numbers? Because they try to catch everybody in the net. A single screen also, a plex also, male also, female also, student also, family also. So those are those spectacles, and there can't be more than four in a year, which are those kind of spectacles. But then the rest of the weeks in a year, you have to program meaningful content with purpose. So it's no one size fits all, depending on which audiences are liking the film, what is the sur of the film, कौन से सुर में बनी है in terms of meter or temperature or the grammar of storytelling that is used. If it's more, the more finesse there is in the craft, it veers towards a certain type of cinema. Festivals, we know what company it's keeping, what other type of films the company is keeping. We have the best in the world in terms of festivals to learn from. What are the type of voices that those festivals want to showcase? So then we know, yes, this film could probably go that route. and that's the way we will promote this film. And I am a champion for taking oddballs to the theatre. I like to take films to the theatre rather than straight to digital.
Stree was no less of an oddball.
Stree was no less of an oddball. The original Stree, we had spent a PNA more than the budget of the film. When we released it, it was my first film in Geo Studios, and that became a sleeper hit. Lapata Ladies was a classic candidate for a straight to OTT, but we took it to theatres. And after it came on Netflix, the screens in the theatres were increased. The shows got increased because it started doing even better in the theatres. So, Article 370, it's another example, female protagonist, but it did so well in the theatres. So, I actually don't make projects कि ये बना दिया and I'll just sell it off to a OTT. Make stories for the theatre only, and would like people to watch it in the theatre and in OTT when that window opens.
जब Stree आई थी, when I came out of the theatre, I think I was the only one. I had told the PR, I had told Dinesh ji, he was there, that this film will make minimum 400 crores. And even Rajkumar and all were that time, 200-250 बनाएगी, हम लोग खुश हैं. Nobody thought so. Yes. You thought, or did you think so? And now that it has become the highest grossing Hindi film ever, others are going to be chasing it. What's the feeling?
We did not think that it will be the highest grossing film ever. We feel blessed that it has become that. Having said that, we took 6 years to make it. We built the whole universe around it. We did Bhedia. There's another Munja that came. Now Stree. There are 2 more characters. Thama, Jo. So it's a whole thought through universe. Of course, we want the next 3 or one of these universe films only to break Stree 2's record. That would be our ambition. But any film that breaks a previous record, whether it's ours or anybody else's, I think it's a very welcome. Improvement, because it means the market is growing. Audience is willing to pay for the ticket and come to the theatre if the content is good. So smashing records is very, very good for the industry.
How long we have to wait for the next one? There's Ayushman's, I think that vampire movie is there. Then probably Akshay and Sarkata. Is this going to become the Avengers of Indian cinema, where all these big stars are coming together, but their characters are what are drawing the audience and not the actors? And how long are you going to make us wait? कितना तड़ पाओगे आप?
नहीं, I think हर साल एक हाथ, I would say it's a marvel. More than the Avengers, I would say the Maddox, the horror comedy universe is like Marvel. Where we'll build all these characters, and you got it. The characters are bigger than the stars. We want the characters to outlive any star, and they feed off each other. I think as the universe grows, every year you should see at least one film from that universe.
And Baby John now is coming. I think that's your last big film of 2024. लेकिन बहुत लोगों का बोलना है कि it is a remake of Theri. Is it? And if it is, then why Theri?
It actually was the director of Theri.
Yeah.
So it's inspired by Theri. Of course, we made it our own. It is not a remake of Theri. And I love the way South directors present their heroes. So you've seen the teaser. You've seen how differently Varun is presented in the
First
movie.
time like this.
You've seen him in a Badlapur, so you know that Varun is capable of really coming off his own if he gets a filmmaker who can present him in a very different style. So I think that we have succeeded with the BGM and with the way it's been presented. And again, it's a film with purpose. Both Jackie as the villain has absolutely hit it out of the park. The music, the BGM. So it's a full package. Christmas is a holiday period. It's an absolute popcorn entertainer. People will go in, will have a great time, enjoy a proper Masi film and come out.
Last 2 questions. Lapata Ladies, the Oscar campaign. What are you all planning? because we do know in the Oscars, obviously, it's not only the best film. A lot of lobbying is required. Amir himself admitted that when Lagan was nominated. So how you all are planning the campaign? They say that for films to be nominated, a big producer is required to put that film on the map. This time it does have that. Can we expect another Oscar nomination for India?
So we are doing everything in our power. As a producer backing the film, we've just done a whole round in UK, in New York, in LA. We're basically screening the film. We're screening the film to as many people as possible and spreading the word, because whenever we do a screening, it's really people are loving it. So the film is doing all the talking. There is no other lobbying that we are doing other than screening the film. We are finding people of different cultures, non-Indians are loving the film. They are getting the punches, they are getting the jokes, they are getting the message. I'll give you a couple of examples. One a person who saw the movie, non-Indian, she said that it took me 40 years to get my congregation. Basically, she needed to become a rabbi. उसको 40 साल लगे rabbi बनने में, वो lady को. So she said, isn't it like lifting a whale? तो उसको, so she got the metaphor of the whale. She's saying, beautiful story, it's resonating, it's relevant to our culture also, it's relevant to, you know, it's about a woman finding her identity.
हमारा कल्चर उनके कल्चर से resonate.
तो हमने एक quintessentially Indian story ली. The movie celebrates India and it's very hopeful and it does not bash men or put down men to make its point about women empowerment.
Which is very easy to do.
मुझे वो बात particularly बहुत अच्छी लगी ये पिक्चर के बारे में. So हम अपना best foot forward डालेंगे and let's hope it gets a nomination and let's hope it wins. So सबकी दुआएं चाहिए, जो भी आपके दर्शक हैं सबकी दुआएं चाहिए. हमारी तरफ से हम पूरी कोशिश करें.
मेरा आखिरी सवाल, मेरे इंटरव्यू का सबसे अहम सवाल, जो कि मेरे हिसाब से ज्योति जी का ये सबसे बड़ी कामयाबी है. यू आर द ओनली वुमन who is leading a major production, a major force of entertainment in India. You see T-Series, you see YRF, you see Dharma, and this is no cop on them. It's just the way things are. You're the only woman who's leading it. What does that say for the future? Do you see yourself as a beacon, some way or another as a beacon for women in such a big leadership role in entertainment?
I'm very grateful that I have reached this position where my bosses, Mukesh Bhai, etc., have placed this trust and faith in me. I think at this level, whether you're a woman or a man, it doesn't matter. You are known for the outcomes that you achieve. आपका काम क्या बोलता है, आपके results क्या बोलते हैं, whether you were a man or a woman, it would be the same. हाँ, यहाँ पहुँचने तक की जर्नी आसान नहीं रही है as a woman. So I hope to inspire women to go after their dreams and encourage people around them to support them in that journey. पहले तो खुद को you have to back yourself. कोई और आने नहीं वाला है आपको back करने के लिए. And then once you back yourself and you show your abilities, I'm sure there'll be somebody around you to champion your cause. In a way, लापता लेडीज़ में भी हम वही कहना चाहते हैं. आप अगर देखें, वो एक औरत दूसरी औरत को हेल्प कर रही है, वो घर की औरतें, उधर कुछ चेंजेस होने लग गई. एक कॉप जो करप्ट था, हमें लगा वो भी मतलब फिर जाएगा पैसे के लिए. वो कॉप में भी अच्छाई है, उसने भी एंड में मदद ही करी. सो देर इज़, वी डोंट हैव टू व्यू द वर्ल्ड एज कि मतलब सब हमको मारने ही निकले हैं, सब हमको नीचे लाने के लिए ही निकले हैं. हमें लोगों में अच्छाई भी देखनी चाहिए. सो इट्स नॉट ओनली अबाउट विमेन, इट्स अबाउट मेन एंड विमेन. साथ में मिलके काम करेंगे, साथ में आगे बढ़ेंगे, साथ में तरक्की करेंगे.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you. It was a pleasure talking to you.
Thank you.